Hello, second video in one day. Now I was testing this out for a few days and I'm not gonna share now with you how to install WatchOS 7, the latest one, while still being on iOS 13, because as you know, Apple rolled out WatchOS 7, but you cannot install it unless you move your connected iPhone to iOS 14. So I don't want to lose my jailbreak here, but I would like to test WatchOS 7, and luckily there is a way. So just to make it, as you can see, WatchOS 7 has emoji screens, which WatchOS 6 does not. Just to prove my point, I'm gonna show you in my settings. You see it's my iGeeks Apple Watch and the version is 7.0.1. Okay, on my phone, when I go to settings, general, about, as you can see, I am on 13.5. Now, in Bluetooth, I'm gonna show you that my iGeeks Apple Watch has been connected to my phone, so it works. I've tested it, so I will not show you, the exact process of how it works, but I will guide you step by step. There are actually 10 steps you need to do. Number one, you go to patreon.com, because currently it's not the free option. It's gonna be also as a paid tweak. You need to become a Patreon of Lunotech 11, and I've paid £5 per month as a Patreon to support Legizmo. Legizmo is the tweak that I'm gonna talk about and the one that you need in order to make this thing happen. So you need to go there and become a Patreon for Lunotech 11. Now, step two is you can select the tier membership. As I said, I selected the one which is the lowest, which is £5. Bring you to the page where Legizmo beta is. So you can see here that there is a beta or a deb file here, which you need to download and you need to install it via Fileza. So I'm gonna save it. Yes, you click on share and then save to Fileza. So it's gonna save it. I have the download linked file, and you can see there it is. And you can see where the file is. I'm gonna open it in save to Fileza. Right? So I'm gonna save it here. I'm gonna go to Fileza. Here it is, Legizmo. So when you press on it, you know how to do it. You press on it, you say install and respring your device, and it's gonna be installed on your phone. Since I already did it, you get Legizmo on your home screen, right? Okay, number 5, you get Legizmo on your home screen, which is pretty cool. Now you need to open the app, and then you have two modes of doing it. So you have native mode and you have tweak mode, right? So if you're on checkra, for example, I suggest you using the native mode. So with native mode, if you update your iOS to some version that doesn't have a jailbreak, accidentally, or you're forced to do it, Legizmo will still override which WatchOS versions are allowed. Okay? So if that new iOS version supports more versions of WatchOS than the version of Legizmo that you used did, then those newer versions won't work, even if iOS supports them. However, if you choose the other one, which is the a tweak method, this is for people who are mainly using Odyssey jailbreak or Uncover jailbreak. So I've used this mode to do it. Now, once you do it, you need to accept and continue. You need to accept these terms and conditions, and you need to continue doing it, right? So the next step is you start it. It will install, and because I already did, there is no need for me to do it. I need to start and install Legizmo, blah, blah, blah. It's gonna do its job, and it's gonna be ready. Once this process finishes, number 9, you need to go and check your software update. So after this is done, then you will get your WatchOS 7 offered here, and then you can install it and use it like I'm using it. So it's pretty cool tweak. It's gonna be available in one of those repos on Cydia, so pay attention for Legizmo tweak because it's pretty awesome. I've been using it for a few days and it's really worth the £5. All the best.